Greetings, class, and welcome to Nursing 654, Primary, Secondary, and Tertiary Prevention to promote individual and population health outcomes. My name is Jill Parsons, and I will be your course professor. As we start this term, I would encourage you to first review the course syllabus, including the course description and the aggregate outcomes. The aggregate outcomes are the program outcomes. The student learning outcomes are those outcomes relative to this course. You are likely familiar with the student expectations as well as the McKendree University mission statement, the academic honesty, and the artificial intelligence policy, as well as the ADA policy. However, I would encourage you to review each of those and reach out if you do have questions. Most people right away are interested in finding out about the evaluation methods. So across this course, we will have online discussion. Discussion constitutes 30% of your course grade. There are 3 primary assignments within this course. Now, each of these assignments is detailed within the Brightspace course. There are video overviews for each assignment. So I will not take time to discuss those in detail now, but please know again that there are video overviews for each of these assignments within the Brightspace course shell. First, you will complete an all hazards preparedness interview and evaluation worth 15% of your course grade. You will complete a healthcare provider all hazards preparedness related resiliency tool or resource development. And then the final assignment is building a culture of resiliency through a grant proposal. Those are the 3 primary assignments within this course. When we navigate back to the Brightspace course shell, I do want you to take some time to look at the course calendar, and I can open that for us. When we look at the course calendar, you will see that the course is spread across 4 modules. This, of course, is an 8-week course. However, each module is run over 2 weeks. So the focus of each module is listed here, as well as activities relevant to that module. You will find respective due dates for the assignments here, as well as in the Brightspace course shell. When we navigate back home, there is no required textbook for this course. Instead, I will provide you with a wealth of resources available within each respective module. With regards to the assignments I spoke about within when I spoke about the syllabus, if you click on assignments and rubrics, this is where you will find all of the detail about each assignment, and there are video overviews relative to each assignment. So please, on your own time, do take some time to review each of those assignment guidelines as well as the rubric and watch the video. When we navigate back home, remember I spoke that there are 4 modules across this course, each module being 2 weeks in length. Each module is set up across its own widget, so we can click on Module 1, where you will find all of the resources relative to the content for that week. You will also find here the link for the discussion board. Now, Module 1, again, does run over 2 weeks, so we will have a discussion that first week, and we will have a discussion that second week. For each respective module, you will find a video overview. So again, you will find that each module is set up in its own block, and you would just need to click on each of those to find the resources relative to the content for that week. I have provided you information relative to APA. All papers should be written in APA format as well as all posts within the discussion thread. There is also information provided to you here relative to home and library and the Writing Center. Now, the Writing Center does offer online services. You would just need to set that up early. If you have any questions as you navigate through the Brightspace course shell, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I look forward to working with you this term. Thank you.